Alright, this is the platform, and all the things that you are expected to do is on this website. All you have to do is to visit the website sent to you, then you click on staff. The staff area is where you can log in. So before now, your your username must have been given to you, and the password. The default password that comes with it is 123. So after the password has been given to you, you will need to change it to your own password. Immediately you log in, you should change your you go to filter, click on it, then you can change the password to whatever password you want. After this, you have to log out and log in again. You can sign in with your new password. So I'll use my username and the new password to log in. So once this is done, the only places you are meant to work is on this session to add a new customer, to post a deposit, and to post withdrawals. So depending on the task you have for the day, will determine if you'll be using this day or this. But in most cases, you can use of three areas: view deposits, view withdrawals, and view savings, and also view customers. So actually, you are making use of everything on this platform. So dashboard customers, the company the amount of savings, the total amount of withdrawals. All these things are auto-generated. So the more customers you add, it will keep counting. It will keep counting. Likewise, the total savings will keep counting. So all you are expected to do is to enter details of customers to register them using the card number. The card number is more like an account number. So every information you need is already inside the document, Excel document given to you. So this is just an instance. A customer's card number is 777. So let's say the person is Daniel Matthew. Okay. You enter the first name separately, then Matthew. If there's no last name, you can join it. So you always be working with the card number of the customer. You cannot make a deposit without a card number. You cannot make a withdrawal without a card number. So you must search the customers out first before you make any deposit or withdrawal. So the next thing is to go to post deposit. Here, remember you are searching the customer by their card number. You enter the card number. Automatically it will fetch the name of the customer. Then who is making the deposit? In most cases, they are the one making the deposit. So you can use self if they are the one, but if they are not the one, you use the actual name given to you. So let's say he is the one doing it and is making a deposit of 30,000 naira for this day. So you click, then you enter the month. When the transaction period is just the month and the year. So it will be an abbreviation of the month and the full year 2022, not 23. Then you click on deposit. Once you do this, that amount 30,000 has been credited to that particular customer's account. If you want to see, you see it, I'll show it to you later. Then the next thing is to make, okay, let's just look at CI. You created this card number, and this is the customer's name, and this is the amount that was deposited. See, that's just the only transaction. So if you view to click view to view the rest, the account statement, you see that when you open the account it was this, and when you make the deposit, and this is the new balance. So this is all we have for this particular customer. So the key is to make a withdrawal. Or you just enter the same card number. It brings out the details of the customer. So already the system is already telling you that this customer already has 30,000 naira in their account. So if you are making, just say you are making a withdrawal of 4,000 naira, you enter the date in which you are posting this. Always make sure you follow the posting date. Don't make a mistake on this part. The posting date is the date in which you are posting it. So make sure you go by the posting date given to you in the Excel sheet. So the transaction period is meant for September 2023. You click on withdraw fund. Once you do this, that 4,000 will be deducted from 30,000. So to view the transaction, and you see that this customer's account has been updated, it has 26,000 naira left. To view the statement, you click and you see everything here. It will give you the breakdown of this customer's statement. So all we expected you to do is mostly to work with add customer, post deposits, and post withdrawals. You can add customer 2 times. Once you've done that the very first time, that is all you need to do, except a new customer is given to you to add up. So you can first see if your deposit you have made and edit the transaction if there be any errors. Let's say for instance you are supposed to make a deposit of 13,000, you mistakenly typed in 30,000. So let's make a correction on this. So let's simply write here 13,000 naira, and the posting date still remains the same. If there be any error, you can as well still change that. Make sure you don't make any mistake with this. Okay. There's always a penalty when you post wrongly and the company gets to find out. So there should be a high level of accuracy when posting transactions with the software. So let's also assume you also made a little error as regards the withdrawal. Instead of making a withdrawal of let's say 400, you typed in 4,000 naira. So you can correct that by doing this. Make sure you follow the posting dates. It has to be correct at all times, and the transaction period shows the period in which it was made. So this transaction period, all my savings in the month of October should be entered in October. So even when I posted it in the month of November, it should still be posted as October. Okay. So at every point in time, a customer wants to know how much they saved in the month of September, October, November. So don't post a transaction that is meant for September in October, and don't post a transaction that is meant for October in November. So make sure you look at the Excel sheet given to you before you make these transactions. Okay, so we can view the account statement of this customer to see if all the corrections we've made are affected in the account statement. So you can see now that the only deposit we made on this woman was 30,000 naira previously before we changed it to 13,000, and the withdrawal that was made on it was previously 4,000 before we changed it to 400. So if you look at the adjustment value, you see that the balance is still accurate. So this is what we expect you guys to do, and I think that is all for this. So just follow this guideline, make sure you understand how everything is being done before you proceed. So if you want to log out, you come to this section and you click on log out. The system will log you out and bring you back to this place. Good luck to you.